Hello everyone, this will be the second part of our discussion on rational function. And the objectives for today is to distinguishes rational function, rational equation, and rational inequality. So the question here is for our review is what is a rational expression? A rational expression is an expression that can be written as a quotient of two polynomials, provided that the denominator is not zero. Here we can have the or some of the examples and non-examples of uh, rational expression. For the first one, it is a rational expression because it is a ratio of two polynomials. Or in other words, we have a polynomial on the denominator and in the numerator. So that one is a rational expression. Second one, it is also a rational expression. Why do we say so? A rational expression because the numerator is a polynomial. Okay? It is the denominator is a polynomial and the numerator is a polynomial. Therefore, we have the quotient of two polynomials. So this one is also a rational expression. So for the third one, we have the numerator as a polynomial. Okay, this one is a polynomial. Same goes with 2, polynomial with degree 0. Hence, it is a rational, or this fraction here is a rational expression. How about for this one? Obviously, this is not a rational expression because the numerator is not a polynomial. It is a radical. So, uh, the thing here is it is not a rational expression. And for the last one, we have a rational expression on the numerator divided by the denominator, which is a polynomial. Actually, the thing here is not a rational expression, but it can be written as a rational expression. So if we rewrite this or simplify this, we will arrive at 1 all over or over x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So the thing here is, or this one here is a rational expression because it is a quotient of two polynomials. So this one is for you to do, but let me give you a clue. This denominator is not a polynomial. And for letter B, uh, the this polynomial can have a denominator which is equal to 1 because any number has a denominator equal to 1. Okay? So, for letter C, the numerator and the denominator are polynomial. So, what can we conclude based on what I have said? So, it is now up to you to answer this. You may take a screenshot or pause for a while so that you can determine which of the following are rational expressions. To give you the difference between a rational equation, rational inequality, and rational function. Now, try to look at this rational equation. It is an equation, it has an equal sign that involves rational expression. So this one here, 2 over x, 3 over 2x, also 1 over 5. Those are rational expressions. Now this one here is a rational inequality. Why? We have here a rational expression, another rational expression, and an inequality symbol. So it can also be greater than or less than, greater than, less than, or not equal. So those are rational inequality. And for rational function is also a rational equation, but the only difference between the rational equation and rational function is rational function has two variables And the other variable, or the second variable, is isolated. Okay, so here we have f of x. It can also be written as y equals x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x plus 1. Meaning to say, uh, rational function is, first, it is a function. Okay, it involves two variables and it involves rational expression. Okay, so you are going to identify, it is your task to identify the following: if it is a rational function, rational equation, and rational inequality, or neither. Okay, so 5 seconds for taking pictures of, or posts. Okay, now for you to uh, say reinforce your what you have learned, rather. Now, in your own words, how are we going, or how are you going to differentiate a rational function from a rational equation and from a rational inequality? Okay, so this one is rational inequality. And for your short quiz, this one is in your learning activity sheet. It is for you to it is for you to answer this one. Write A if it is a rational function, B if equation, C if inequality, and D if neither of these. So that's all for today, or for this second part of the video. Okay, have a nice day ahead.